Every single 24 hours, your body's bone marrow continuously manufactures roughly 1 trillion brand new red blood cells. Each one of these cells is built for a singular, grueling marathon. Over a lifespan of just 120 days, a single red blood cell will travel a total of 480 kilometers inside your vascular system. It moves fast. A complete circuit from your heart down to the tip of your toe and back again takes roughly 20 seconds. But the path is not a wide-open highway. These cells are 8 micrometers across, yet they have to repeatedly fold, bend, and squeeze their way through microcirculation capillaries that are as narrow as 3.5 micrometers. If this high-speed delivery of oxygen halts for even a few minutes, tissues suffocate and cellular death begins. The circulatory system functions as a pressurized delivery network, engineered for continuous operation under these extreme physical constraints. To see how this delivery fleet is built, we have to look inside the cavities of your bones. This is the bone marrow. The pink areas you see packed between those large white fat cells are the hemopoietic tissue, the biological factory floor. The pace of production here is dictated by your kidneys. When specialized kidney cells sense a drop in circulating oxygen, they release a hormone called erythropoietin, or EPO, which commands the marrow to accelerate assembly. The process starts with a pluripotent stem cell, a blank slate that commits down a strict developmental pathway to become a red blood cell. To maximize its cargo space, the developing cell physically expels its own nucleus, ditching its DNA entirely to make room. What remains is a mature erythrocyte. Looking at a blood smear, you can clearly see these uniform circular shapes have no dark staining nuclei. They are empty biconcave discs. By discarding its genetic material, the cell trades its ability to divide or synthesize new proteins. It yields its own lifespan in exchange for maximum oxygen-carrying efficiency. That newly created cargo space is immediately packed with one specific payload, hemoglobin. Hemoglobin has 4 interlocking globin chains that shift to lock onto oxygen in the lungs. In deep tissue, 2,3-DPG slips into the gap between these chains, acting as a wedge that forces the molecule to drop its oxygen payload exactly where needed. But pumping trillions of these cells through miles of delicate vessels creates an obvious vulnerability. Any sudden tear in the vascular highway risks bleeding the highly pressurized delivery system completely dry, leading to rapid failure. To prevent this, the bone marrow also manufactures a dedicated repair crew. These long, green-stained branches are proplatelets extending from a massive megakaryocyte cell, tearing apart in the blood flow to form tiny fragments called platelets. When a blood vessel tears, the sudden high-pressure shear stress causes a protein called von Willebrand factor to physically unfold like a biological net, catching those circulating platelets. The platelets stick, activate, and aggregate. This image captures the end result: thick, green strands of fibrin weaving together, trapping the purple platelets and red blood cells into a dense structural barrier. The red blood cell can only complete its grueling marathon because the blood simultaneously carries a rapid response engineering crew ready to instantly seal any breach. Fast forward 120 days. The red blood cell has traveled hundreds of kilometers, and its anaerobic energy reserves are finally depleted. Without energy to maintain its internal pressure and structure, the once pliable cell membrane loses its flexibility. It becomes stiff and rigid. The vascular network cannot tolerate debris, so it constantly routes blood through a strict mechanical quality control center, the spleen. Deep inside the spleen is a harsh gauntlet of incredibly tight cords. Young, pliant cells easily deform and slip through this grating. The aged, rigid cells get stuck. Once trapped, the execution is swift. Specialized immune cells called macrophages recognize the trapped, misshapen cells and consume them. The cell is dismantled, but the valuable iron inside its hemoglobin is carefully stripped out and shipped right back to the bone marrow. This end is a perfectly closed loop. Nothing is wasted. By the time this one cell is broken down, 1 trillion new ones have already entered the bloodstream, beginning their own 480-kilometer journey.